Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of lugging around a heavy vacuum cleaner just to get the job done? I've got some great news for you. The Vacmaster corded stick vacuum cleaner 2-in-1 is here to change the game. This amazing product is not only lightweight, weighing in at just 3.7 pounds, but it's also incredibly powerful with a 14 kPa suction motor that makes quick work of dirt and dust. As a well-reviewed and popular product, many customers have fallen in love with its versatility and ease of use. The 2-in-1 design allows you to easily switch to a handheld vacuum, perfect for getting into tight spaces and cleaning those hard-to-reach areas. The various attachments, including the floor nozzle, crevice tool, and 2-in-1 brush tool, make it easy to clean everything from edges and drawers to drapes and more. The Capitalize Efficiency Filtration system is another standout feature, creating a high-speed rotating airflow that removes particulates from the air, leaving your home feeling clean and fresh. The washable filter requires less frequent replacements and captures a significant amount of particles, providing you with ultimate purified air. I've been using this vacuum for a while now, and I can honestly say it's been a game changer. The telescopic wand is perfect for cleaning above-floor areas, and the adjustable tube makes it easy to get into tight spaces without straining your back. The sound of the vacuum is surprisingly quiet, and the feel of it in your hand is comfortable and balanced. In real-life use, this vacuum has been a lifesaver, from quickly cleaning up spills on the floor to getting into tight spaces in my car. It's so much easier to use than my old vacuum, and the results are amazing. The dust cup is easy to empty, and the whole thing is just so portable and convenient. Overall, I highly recommend the Vacmaster corded stick vacuum cleaner. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.